Maserati MC20 is not just a car. It's a declaration of intent. A bold statement from a legendary Italian marque that has roared back into the supercar scene with an engineering marvel born from racing DNA and sculpted with seductive elegance. This isn't just Maserati's return to form. It's their evolution into a new era. And the MC20 is the crown jewel of that transformation. With a name that stands for Maserati Course 2020, the MC20 marks the brand's rebirth, showcasing not only breathtaking design, but also a homegrown power plant that redefines performance. Beneath the curvaceous carbon fiber skin of this exotic beast lies the McLaren engine, a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that pumps out an astonishing 621 horsepower and 730 newton-meters of torque. Built entirely in-house, the McLaren represents a major leap for Maserati, featuring F1-inspired pre-chamber combustion technology that delivers thrilling responsiveness and a razor-sharp throttle feel. Coupled with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and weighing just around 1,500 kilograms thanks to its carbon monocoque chassis, the MC20 rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds and reaches a top speed north of 325 kilometers per hour. But the MC20 is not just about raw numbers. It's about emotion, control, and the visceral connection between driver and machine. From the moment you slide into the minimalist yet luxurious cockpit, you realize the car was engineered for purity. There are no unnecessary distractions, just purposeful elements that keep your focus on the drive. The driving position is race-inspired, and the use of premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber reminds you that this machine is born of motorsport. The steering wheel is clean and uncluttered, with controls positioned for instinctive access. A digital display provides all the essential data with crystal clarity, while the gear selector and driving mode dial sit within easy reach on a sleek center console. With modes like GT, Sport, Corsa, and Wet, the MC20 adapts to your mood and the road or track ahead. In Corsa mode, the exhaust opens up, the suspension tightens, and the car becomes a weapon of precision, offering spine-tingling acceleration and race car-like handling. In GT mode, the MC20 softens just enough to make it usable for longer journeys, although its stiff chassis and low ride height remind you it's a thoroughbred. Design-wise, the MC20 is a masterpiece. Every curve and contour has been wind tunnel tested to ensure aerodynamic efficiency, while still looking drop-dead gorgeous. From the sculpted side air intakes to the butterfly doors and sleek LED lighting, the MC20 commands attention whether parked or flying by at full throttle. Its proportions are perfect: a low nose, wide stance, and a tapered rear that enhances both style and performance. The car's silhouette blends elegance and aggression, making it unmistakably Italian. The butterfly doors are not just a showstopper. They aid ingress and egress and contribute to the super